With summers still around, all we want to eat is food that is quick, simple, easy and light. Today's recipe, ladies and gentlemen, is Dahi Ke Sholay. Let's begin. Cold vegetables, vegetables that are very quickly and very easily used in a garde manger or a salad, are used specially as a filling. Now I am categorically using bell peppers, yellow and red. So let's begin. The first thing is to chop this as fine as you can. Yellow peppers. Now, the first thing is to cut this into thin juliennes, into thin strips, and then to turn it over and cut this like so, nice and fine. So this way you get capsicum or bell peppers which are finely chopped. Once our peppers are cut and ready, let's move on to making the stuffing or the filling, for which we're going to require hung curd. To this, I'm going to add in yellow peppers and along with this, the red peppers. To this, let's add in salt as required, freshly cracked black pepper. Well, this is just about perfect. All we need to now do is mix all of this, bring it together, and that's about it. Needs to come together and your Dahi Ke Sholay mixture, the filling, the stuffing, is done and ready. The next step is to create the shapes. Now Dahi Ke Sholay have a very typical categoric shape. Let's see how that's made. The first thing is to cut for bread slice, of course. Let's cut a few like so and keep ready. And we dip this in water, pull it out and remove all the excess water. And in the process, you'll realize that this also kind of becomes like a thin sheet. Now this in a lot of ways is going to be used like a ready casing for this recipe. I'm going to take a spoonful and place it in the center like so. You take this on the other side, pull this towards you and try to encase the sides as well. Let's turn this around and similarly, let's encase the sides. The idea is to get two cones connected with each other like so. We press this, try to remove all the excess water because eventually we need to understand that this is going to get deep fried. So here basically you have a cone connected like so. Let's transfer this and start making some more like so. Once these are shaped and ready, the next step is very simple. You can either fry this directly or you can also keep this in the freezer and fry this when your guests have arrived. For now, I have no guests. I am my only guest here. I'm frying this right away. Now here's a tip, especially when you're frying anything which has bread as a casing, especially something like this. You do not start stirring this right away because there is still that little bit of moisture on the exterior and it will start sticking to your slotted spoon. Ensure this hits the oil, stays in for at least 30-40 seconds, gets that little bit of that golden brown crust on the outside, and that is when you insert the slotted spoon. Let's transfer this on an absorbent tissue paper. And now let's start frying the second batch similarly. Let's quickly cut one and see it from inside. With this, Dahi Ke Sholay done and ready. Make this for your family, make this for your friends. This is a starter for every season, for every reason. Bye for now.